Now I will tell you about some important features of the handrail machine. With this innovative machine, you can transform ordinary pipes into special and aesthetic handrail models. Get one step ahead of your competitors with this machine. The handrail machine, which is a roll-form machine, shapes iron pipes perfectly, making it possible to produce unique and durable handrails. In order to produce different mold types and different models, we will only need a cross-section drawing or some dimensions. All molds of the machine have been processed and heat-treated in lathe machines using 2379 special steels. It is very durable and long-lasting. With the flexible design capabilities of our design department, roll-form systems can be designed to the extent and however you want. Just tell us your dream. With its 5.5 kilowatt motor and 32 revolutions per minute speed, it turns one length of pipe into a handrail in 16 seconds. Another advantage we can offer you is the following. Steel or wooden box is free of charge in international shipping. If you have a favorite color, we paint the machine in the color you want free of charge. The motor protection circuit is supplied with the machine as standard. At the same time, the machine also has an emergency button for emergencies. If you want to get information about this machine, which is a marvel of design, and make a difference in the market, contact us now. Request a quote now.